Starting today, you are able to access your course content, and I just wanted to take you through a few items that I've updated for day one. Number one, I just wanted to point out that on the course home, on the news feed, I have posted a new item that includes and explains the weekly schedule and a few of the other videos and resources that I've included in the news link. When you go to access your content, you're going to go into your content button, and I'm operating as myself instead of from your student view, so mine will look very different. You will notice that Unit 1 will be open Monday morning. When you click on Unit 1, you will see, and you can see that I've closed them, but they will be open Monday morning, is that I have Activity 1 and 2 that will be open on Monday morning. You simply click on Activity 1 and go to the activity. In here, much like the orientation course, you'll see the different sections and any assignments that are due. So in the very first unit and activity, you're going to do a discussion, reading through social science inquiry process, and you're going to complete another assignment down here below. So just to point out here, this little icon means that this is a Dropbox assignment. The other one that had thought bubbles mean a discussion. When you have completed the assignment where it's outlined here, you can actually hand in your work and access the Dropbox here. You can actually access the discussion here. I'm quickly going to point out a number of other places where if you get out of content and complete the assignment outside of the content and would like to submit it in, how you do that. So say, for example, I know that I have a discussion and I've opened my ongoing Google Doc and typed up what my discussion will be. Then I can actually go back in to specifically the discussion. And again, yours looks different than mine. And I can actually open up the discussion and post from there. I can also do that with assignments or Dropboxes. So that second assignment that's due in Activity 1, I can actually click on Assignments. And you can go to Activity 1 and actually submit your completed assignment there. So you can access it through content, you can access it through the icons at the top. And one last place that I wanted to show you where you can access those Dropboxes or those assignment submissions. If you go to Course Home, because I've put in the assignment due dates, you'll actually notice under the calendar, one, that there's some dots here that indicate a due date. You can actually click on that, and that date should specifically open up or point you towards these below. Down below here, you have specific due dates that you need to pay attention to. So on the Tuesday, you have a discussion. And so when you open that up, I know it's a discussion because it's got the little thought bubbles here, the discussion bubbles. I can actually use this as a link into the specific discussion that I would like to post in. So those are 3 ways in which you can access information and hand in your assignments. Looking forward to hearing from you and hope that it's a great start to the week.